Welcome to the Bug MD family. Today, we're going to show you how to apply Pest Defense Pro and create a powerful protective barrier against 100 different pests for your home. Your custom formula is specifically designed to target the pests you need exactly for where you live. We'll show you how to get set up in just 10 minutes. First, get your sprayer ready. It has a powerful rechargeable battery that provides up to 3 hours of continuous use on a full charge. A standard USB-C cable is all you need to plug it in. Now, grab both concentrates and the mixing bag. Shake the concentrate bottles well, then pour them into the bag. Fill the bag with cold water to the fill line. Make sure the dip tube is pointing down inside the bag, then screw the cap on tight and shake it well to mix everything together. To turn it on, just press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Now, let's apply your customized protective barrier. Set your sprayer to the mist mode for a light, even spray. Start by applying a 12-inch band around the entire foundation of your home. Focus on any cracks where the soil meets the wall, as this is a common area for pests to squeeze through. You can also spray around other openings, like window and door frames, vents, and utility lines. To maximize your protection, treat other areas where pests would most likely gather, like around trash cans, under porches, and near sheds or any other outdoor structures. You can also spray around your garden to keep pests from traveling inside. When you're done, be sure to keep children and pets away from the treated areas until the solution has completely dried. Pest Defense Pro is designed to be a preventative barrier. It works to build a strong defense that stops pests in their tracks and eliminates unwanted pests. You'll know it's working when you notice fewer and fewer pests trying to enter your home. Your barrier will provide continuous protection for the next 2 to 3 months. But if you have a larger home or need more protection, don't be afraid to spray more for maximum effectiveness. If you have any questions or need more tips on how to use your spray, visit our website for more tips or contact our support team. It's that simple. Get started today and reclaim your home from pests.